Transferring money from CIBC to Scotiabank is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. So, first of all, open up its Scotiabank website. Now, from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money from CIBC to Scotiabank. You can see here, Start Banking in Canada, by which you can send and receive money in Canada. Then scroll down and see the section of Send Money to Another Country. It's easy to send money on the go. Now, take the first step, that is sign on to CIBC Mobile or online banking and select Global Money Transfer. Then enter the banking information of the person you are sending money to. After that, go to step 3, that is enter the amount of money you want to send. And at the end, select Submit. Now, tap on Send Money within Canada. Then follow the given steps to send an Interac e-transfer. Now tap on Get Foreign Cash Delivered.